Hello, this is a video tour of number 269 Gristhorpe Road. The house does have 3 bedrooms and is semi-detached. Leading to the property there is a paved pathway which does take you to the main entrance door, which does have a canopy over. The foregarden does comprise of 3 main bedding areas, where there is also a picket fence to the front and also the side. Leading into the house, on the left there is a gas meter, and then you have a step up through an original style main entrance door, which does also have a window over leading into the entrance vestibule. In the vestibule there is decorative coving, electric meters, and there is also a further door which does go through into the first reception room. Reception room 1 does have a bay window that overlooks the foregarden. There is wood effect flooring, 2 radiators, and you'll note that there is an original style inset cast iron fireplace with tiles surround and hearth. Either side of the chimney breast there is also shelving. From this room there is a door leading into the second reception room. In reception room number 2 there is a window that overlooks the rear garden, a ceiling light point, wood effect flooring, radiator, and there is also a feature recess to the chimney breast where there is a wooden mantle, tiled hearth and log burner. The sizes for all of the rooms are available on our sales particulars. From the second reception room there is a doorway leading into an inner lobby. From the inner lobby there is a staircase that does go up to the first floor living accommodation. There is also a ceiling light point, radiator. The wood flooring does continue from the second reception room. There is also a door to an understair storage cupboard where there is a small window, a wall-mounted boiler and a light. The dining kitchen is a really good size. In here there are 3 windows to the side, a door which does go out into the rear garden. There is also a window above the sink at the end of the kitchen, which I'll show you in a moment. The dining area has got a ceiling light point, radiator and the wood effect flooring. There is then a breakfast bar and an archway opening to the main part of the kitchen. On the right there is a radiator. There is an integrated oven with gas hob and cooker hood over. There are also integrated dishwasher, washing machine, fridge and freezer. The hand basin is a 1.5 bowl with a drainer unit with a mixer tap over, and from here there is a view into the rear garden. Also from the kitchen there is a door leading into the ground floor WC, and there is a stained glass feature window over. In the WC there is an obscure window to the rear with a shelf space, low level flush WC, and there is also a hand basin with a mixer tap over with a storage cupboard. The first floor landing is approached by the inner lobby with a turning staircase that leads up to a split level landing area. Above the stairwell there is a skylight, there is a window to side aspect, and on the landing there are 3 ceiling light points. Bedroom number 1 is located at the front of the house. You'll note that above the door there is a further stained glass window. And in the room there are 2 windows facing the front of the house. There is a ceiling light point. There is also a feature cast iron fireplace, which we think could be original to the house. You'll note that there is a radiator below the window as well. Bedroom number 2 is located on the left. Currently being used as a nursery. It's still a good sized room in here with a window that overlooks the rear garden. Below the window there is a radiator. Again, in this room there is a feature cast iron inset fireplace. There is a ceiling light point as well, and also access to a storage cupboard. Bedroom number 3 is located at the rear of the house. In here there is a window that overlooks the rear garden, ceiling light point and a radiator. Lastly on this floor there is a family bathroom. The family bathroom is located between bedroom 1 and 2. In the room there is a sky tunnel allowing natural daylight into the space, a range of ceiling spotlights, low level flush WC, bath with mixer tap over, glass screen and wall mounted shower. There is also a pedestal wash hand basin with a mixer tap over with a vanity unit. Above the hand basin there is a built-in mirror and there is also a radiator. The flooring is tile effect. The rear garden can be accessed via a gated side access point and also the breakfast kitchen. You'll note that there is a paved seating area. This does extend along the length of the house. So there's a barbecue area here. The current owners do have a log store on the right hand side, and there is a good sized lawn area with a border on the right and a tree with stepping stones. And this does take you to an additional landscaped lawn area which has 2 circular lawns with gravel to sides. At the rear of the garden there are seating areas. So there are steps up to a decking area with feature planters. And from there is access onto a paved seating area, again with borders. And at the very rear of the garden there is a further decking area with a seating area, built-in bench and feature raised borders. Now that does conclude the video tour for the property. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office on the number provided and we will look forward to seeing you soon.